Real-world assets on the blockchain, one of the fastest growing niches in the cryptocurrency space right now, and you've got an opportunity. Actually, you've got a double opportunity here that I'm going to show in a second. Emerald. It just started trading on MEXC, and in fact, it's trading much higher on MEXC than it is on decentralized exchanges, so you may have an arbitrage opportunity as we speak. So make sure to pay attention. We'll go over what it means. We'll talk about Emerald in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we have Emerald pulled up on the screen right now, and this is kind of like a brand new niche in the cryptocurrency space, these real-world assets. If you want to get your hands on some real-world emeralds, now, of course, they're not going to send you these emeralds. You're going to have tokenized ownership of these real-world assets as validated on the blockchain. I'll go over briefly what this means for you in a second here, but I'm going to be talking about an arbitrage opportunity that you may have as well. Currently, Emerald is trading at 24.20. This is 2.4 cents out on Uniswap, and on MEXC right now you can see that it's trading at 31.90 or 3.19 cents. This is actually a very large difference, and it was just listed on MEXC. You can see those are 15-minute candles here. It was just listed on MEXC several hours ago, and of course this arbitrage opportunity is most likely due to the fact that people are moving their Emerald tokens around in a very quick manner, and of course creating this opportunity right here. So it might be ticking back down a little bit as traders bring their Emerald over to the MEXC platform and of course sell there. But let's check out and see what's happening so far and what this means if you are out there ready to buy Emerald tokens. Now, of course, you do have all of the links in the description below if you would like to check them out. But I want to come down here and scroll down to this page right here, and this is a very large website, so I just ask that you go through, you read the entire thing for yourself, of course, before making the opportunity to get in. But revolutionary technology, discovery investing, real-world asset collectibles, VIP Web3 access, revenue sharing, and liquidity pools. I'm going to focus on 2 or 3 sections in this right now because when it comes to owning real-world assets, you are not buying into a meme coin. You are not buying into some speculative asset that has no fundamental value. If you are interested in investing in emeralds, you are going to be investing in emeralds. Now, this real-world asset collections, let's talk about that for a second. It says bespoke collections inspired by celebrities with a keen eye for luxury jewelry will be offered in fractional ownership to our community. When collections are sold or rented out, either at auction or privately, proceeds are shared amongst the owners. Now think about that, guys. If you see some crazy emerald jewelry being worn by celebrities and so on, you could actually have ownership in that. Now, whether they end up selling that collection to the celebrity or whether they end up simply renting it out for an event, you will be partaking in the revenue sharing in that happening. Now, I think that's absolutely incredible and brings fundamental intangible value into the blockchain cryptocurrency space. Now, revenue sharing, let's talk a little bit more about that here. It says by democratizing ownership of our real-world assets of emeralds, luxury jewelry, and our mining contracts. So even emeralds that they have not mined out of the ground yet, you can have access to and ownership of. We share the revenue produced by our operations. As the industry continues to evolve and as we scale the tech into new regions, the ROI is boundless. Now, could you just imagine if their mining contract struck a new pocket of emeralds? If you owned a portion of that mining contract and they were able to go out there and find a new pocket of emeralds, I think that would be very, very lucrative in that sense. Now, finally, liquidity pools. We provide our community with access to unique staking and yield generation opportunities via our liquidity pools, backed by physical emeralds and the emerald mines we produce our resources from. Our liquidity pool offers true foundation of security. Now, that's incredible. Guys, if you're investing in a speculative asset like a meme coin, it is backed by nothing. It is simply backed by the community that is willing to go out there, willing to buy it, willing to hold it. You guys know the story on that. A cryptocurrency, a true crypto coin, is only as strong as the community behind it. However, something like emeralds here, a real-world asset, is going to be as strong as the asset that it represents. So if they have a lot of emeralds in their collection, if they have a lot of emeralds in their possession, of course it's going to be worth more. And if they begin to sell off of those and do a revenue share, it might be worth less, but that is going to be shared to you and eventually I would imagine airdropped to your account as well. Now guys, let's take a look at these, and it does seem to be as though this arbitrage opportunity, these people are paying attention. It seems as though the gap may be closing here, but we have emeralds trading at 2.387 cents. Now it is setting up a very nice level of support right here, as you guys can see, at the 2.2 cent level. If this line is broken to the downside and you are a trader, the next entry opportunity may be somewhere in this 1.7 cent area. But as we can see, it is bounced off 2.2, bounced off 2.2, bounced off several times. Emeralds has been unable to fall back down through that 2.2 cent level, and every time that it has come and tested it, it has bounced off nicely and come up almost to test the entire 3 cent mark. So please keep that in mind if you guys are getting ready to trade emeralds. And as you can see, it is much more volatile out here on MEXC. So there could be an arbitrage opportunity to grab your emeralds over on Uniswap, move them over to MEXC if it is available in a region near you. Clearly you guys can see that due to my IP address, I am not allowed to trade on MEXC right here, but I am allowed to look at prices. Absolutely, and that's what we're doing right here. It is trading at 2.7 cents at the moment on MEXC, and it is trading at 2.38 cents at the moment on Uniswap. What does that mean? That means that currently the arbitrage opportunity points to project growth. Because it is trading at a higher price on another platform, this could be an excellent entry opportunity for anybody willing to get in. Now, due to the volatility of such a new token, please bear in mind that this price could change rapidly by the time that you are watching this video. And I hope that it does. I hope that it continues to move to the upside. Guys, if you look at the hourly chart, there has been a very nice, steady growth trend since this token was introduced just a couple of days ago. It is hitting double levels of support down in this area right here, both horizontal and ascending levels of support. So I am actually excited, not just about the price action, and that was actually a nice tick right there, 24.46 right now from 23.80. I am very excited about this because not only does it bring a new opportunity to investors, it is a real world asset. I have always thought that precious stones were very cool, and if you have as well and you would like the opportunity to own some on the blockchain, make sure you guys check out the links in the description below for Emerald. And of course, if you go out there, you follow their X account or anything like that, make sure to tell them that Claybro sent you. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.